Do you find actually boring situation whenever you teach?
No, never, because teaching is fun.
Do you have any special memories with your family?
Every day is special, actually, so I cannot be specific for one.
What kind of places do you love for living? Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. If you don't mind, could I know your full name, please?
My full name is Suraya Shikdar.
Well, nice name.
Thank you so much.
Where are you from?
I am from Mirpur.
Mirpur.
Mirpur,
So,
Dhaka.
what part of Mirpur actually?
Mirpur, Rupnagar Abashik.
Okay,
Thank
could you tell me something about your surrounding area?
My surrounding area is very chaotic. That's full of noise, which is in the main road, of course. So it's also a good place where you can find everything very easily. So that's a good place for anyone to live.
What kind of places do you love for living?
I honestly prefer somewhere which is quite quiet place, but unfortunately, I have to live in a noisy and chaotic place because of my
Okay, but
family.
if you'd like to get quiet place, so you have to go to village. Do you love living village?
Of course, that's the view is very nice. It's amazing. It's very peaceful as well, with no pollution, which is also a plus point. But unfortunately, since I am living here, I have everything here, so I have to live in Dhaka Mirpur.
Did you ever lived in village?
Not really, but I went there to visit for a week at least, not more than this.
Like, do you have plan to stay village?
Not really.
Not
Not
really.
really.
Okay, so I got it. So I want to know. So where's the difference between village people and city people? Do you have any idea about it?
I have a very minimal idea about it, not much, since I do not visit village often, so I don't know. But that's the thing I can say is that the people from village, they're very naive. Mostly they're very naive, but in city people, they are way more. They think too much or they work a lot.
Well, so could I know about your family actually?
Of course, I live with my family, which is in my family I have my mother, my grandfather, and my brothers. My sister, I have a sister, but she's married, so she lives with her husband, and I live with my family.
Well, fantastic. How do you spend time with your family members?
Whenever I get free time, I try to spend time with my mother, especially. I talk with her. I tell her about my day. We share things. She told me about her day. I even talk with my brothers about my days, how that went, and they even share as well. So that's how I. Even if I get free time, sometimes I cook for them as well. So that's how I spend.
Do you have any special memories with your family?
Every day is special, actually. So I cannot be specific for one. So every day is a special day for me. Living with them, spending time with them is special.
Okay, I got it. Do you love traveling?
I guess I do, but I never get a chance to travel since I'm not allowed to. So I barely get chances to travel. But even if I get a chance, I will. And I guess I love to travel.
Do you love traveling with your family or alone?
I prefer my family and alone, not with my friends, but family. And if I get a chance, I'll move alone as
Okay,
I prefer my own time.
own time.
Yes.
That means you love spending time alone.
Yes. I
Okay,
prefer that most because
why?
there's no chaotic things or no one to judge, no one to talk, no one to make noise, anything like that. It's just you and you can spend it all the time with yourself.
But I have a curiosity about it. So, in case of making family, which type of family actually do you love? So, extended family or small family?
Small family.
Small family. That's mean you will make a small family in
Yes.
future.
Yes. Not a neutral. Not that. I won't be in the extended family. That's too much.
But what is the biggest problem and advantage and disadvantage actually? Small family and extended family. What do you think about it?
Is I don't think there will be any disadvantages because family are the first thing that you can count on. But at the same time, if you live in extended family, there will be many problems regarding your job related things or anything. Even you will not be able to get personal space. But in a small family, you will get that. You'll get your own time, and you can do whatever you want. But in an extended family, you are not allowed to do anything you want. So that can be a problem, a disadvantage.
Okay. Well, this is a very personal question actually. What's your future plan?
My future plan, I do not have any.
But actually, future means whenever you were a child. So that time, what
Okay.
did you want to be?
No, I will work. So far, I have decided that I am going to work. I'll keep on
No, no,
working.
I didn't mention it
Mm,
actually. So whenever I was in class 7
mm,
or 5, so I wanted to be a doctor. And right now I wanted to be a good teacher, but I want to know from you.
mm.
So whenever you were a child, actually, what did you want to be?
Oh, I always wanted to be an aviation crew.
And right now?
Yeah, right now I still want to be a teacher and I will be an instructor. And I love to teach because for by this I can get connected with students or a lot of people, which helps me a lot to divert my mind because uh, I get to hear their stories, their part of stories, so which helps me to understand things a lot.
You have heard this one. So teaching is called noble profession. Why?
Yes,
Could you tell me?
honestly,
Do you know the exact reason why it is called a
honestly,
noble profession? I think that so before entering teaching profession, you
yes,
have to know very well why this called noble profession, right? What do you think about it? Do you know or not?
no, I don't know, but I
You need
guess
to know, right, about it.
yes, I guess that we teachers help students or help people to learn to get to know new things, and that's why they have the expectation for teachers or on their teachers that if anything happened or anything if I'm aware of, if I'm not aware of, my teacher can help me. So they have this expectation or dependency on the teacher. So I guess for that reason they call it a noble profession since they help others a lot. I think, because I'm not sure about the specific novel why they call it, but
Okay,
I
I
guess
got it.
this
So, but
is.
I want to know for being a teacher, do you know about it? What responsibility a teacher should have actually?
For me, I think a teacher should have polite. A teacher should teach us politely with no raising voices, and the understanding power should be more explainable, more reliable, so that the teacher or the students can understand very easily and they can rely to their teachers. Also, they should be punctual since the classes, the timing can be extended sometimes, but they should be more careful about it. These are the things that a teacher should have.
Okay, I got it. So, do you find actually boring situation whenever you teach?
No, never, because teaching is fun. For me, it is fun because there are a lot of students and all of them cannot be the same. So it's different people, different thoughts, and different environment every time. So it can never be boring.
Okay, so I got it. Let's move on another topic. So, thank you very much. Well, so we know that health is wealth. So, what do you do for keeping your health?
I keep on diet and I work out as well. So for that, I keep myself healthy and that's how I am keeping it. Since it's been 4 months I'm working out, also I'm for focusing on following a strict diet. So that's how. And rather than this, I don't do anything. And I walk sometimes. So walking is important for
Do you
everyone.
love working alone or together or someone with
It depends. Sometimes alone, sometimes with someone. Can be a
some?
friend. Yes.
Do you love talking?
I do. I talk a lot. When definitely when I am comfortable, then I talk. Otherwise, I cannot talk. Not really. I cannot talk with a stranger.
Okay,
Yes.
I got it. How long have you been in Dhaka city actually?
Since my birth,
Since your birth. So, where's your bad experience actually? Which one would you like to change?
the traffic.
Traffic. So,
Yes, it is a huge problem for everyone. It creates a lot of problem because people often get late because of the traffic, especially the Tesla. So they are creating a huge mess right now. For that, if I get a chance, I will definitely change it. And it's huge, more than cars, more than bikes. Rickshaw is everywhere. Its
Okay.
battery rickshaw is everywhere. So this is something I can change and I want to change if I get a chance.
Okay. So I got it. So basically, what do you do whenever you get stuck in traffic jam?
If
Do you do any special thing which is different
not
from another?
not really, only I cannot do anything actually right now. Even if I get stuck in a traffic, I cannot do. The thing only thing I can do is if the location is near from me or where I am at the moment, if it is near from me, I just get down from that and I walk. If the location is far, then I can only sit and wait. Nothing else I can do because it's manageable by what that called police surgery. Yeah. So they manage it. I don't know. I cannot do anything with that right now.
So isn't it possible to study or listen something which is very special for for learning?
No.
Don't you listen something
I
whenever you
do.
do
And I listen to musics.
musics?
Yes.
So
That
do you love listening musics?
yes, I love it. I love it. Whenever I am quiet, I just put my headphones on and I listen to music.
Can you sing?
No. I
No.
cannot say. I used to. When I was little, I learned from what they call an academy, which is called BAFA, so Bubble Academy. I learned from there, but it was long ago when I was in nursery that time.
Okay, I got it. So who is your favorite singer actually?
I don't have any specific because I barely listen to any it's like any specific.
Is it Bangla, Hindi, or
Both. I listen to Bangla, I listen to Hindi, and I English as well. So I
what
all
kind of music do you like? So there are these different types of things: soft,
soft,
classical.
classical. I like. I don't like the pop or the anything that has much sounds. I don't like it.
You don't like
No,
it.
that hurts my. That I cannot hear it. It hurts my ear, so I cannot. So I like soft music,
Soft
which
music.
yes, which has soft tones and the lyrics are more understandable. Such kind of music.
Do you think actually they make us our mind refresh?
Yes, music. It puts an effort. It puts an really effects on your mind. So yeah, it is. It is helpful and it helps you to divert your mind sometimes at the same time. So
So could I know actually which time is perfect for listening music?
there will be no time and there is no such time.
It depends on mind
Exactly. It
or
depends on
situation.
mind or situation. If I'm in a mood to listen, I will. If I'm not, I will not. So it depends. It totally depends. There's no specific time to hear music, actually.
Okay, I got it. So do you have anything which one is very favorite?
Right now, I do have one which is a Pakistani song rather than any other songs that which I do have one, a Pakistani music. So it's an OST music. So
Okay, I got it. Ah, thank you very much. Nice to talk to you.
it was nice talking to you.